Have you ever seen such a creative, flexible screen with a customized design like this? What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today I would like to recommend you our new creative product, Flexible Screen. It might look like ordinary before powering on, but it will make your eyes shine after powering on, attracting your consumers and glowing your business. LED light sources are clearly integrated into flexible screens to make products come to life. Add LED light source module to the flexible screen. There are a lot of number of rich and interesting GIF animations presetted through Bluetooth app control. After turning on the phone, use Bluetooth app connection to set up your own logo and content, including text, patterns, music, and more. The LED matrix is thin and light. Flexible board design can be curved freely and doesn't take a space. Easily changed with car charge, TV, and power bank adapter. Really convenient and practical. Flexible screens are available in multiple sizes, commonly used indoors and outdoors, at home, at parties, shops, and in cars, bringing more wonderful colors and decorations to the space. You can also display your own business name, content, or anything else on it to create your memory point. What else do you want to know about us? Comment to let us know. Follow LCSIGN for more. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.